counting a thing that we do. Why do we count? Because it helps us to know where we are, and it really does help us to know where we are. We've talked about time signature, and we've talked about how each bar of music and the bars, which may not have been fully explained in another lesson, these are the bars, the little lines dividing up our music, and each bar needs to add up. Let's find some good examples from our technical exercises. Each bar needs to add up. Here's one. This will be useful because it's got more than one bar on a page. So there's a bar line, there's a bar line, there's a bar line. The information between those bar lines will reflect the time signature. If I've got 4 quarter note beats in a bar, I can reasonably count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and you'll see I'm drumming as I say that, okay? Now, if we have 1/8 notes, we've got more than 4. We've already said that, we've got 8. Some people count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I will never ever do that. It is not helpful in my opinion. It's confusing, if anything. You want to know where you are in the bar. If you count 1/8 notes as 8, let me find you an example, which we'll do from the, okay, here. If you count this as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then you don't have the same feel for where you are in terms of the 4 quarter beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, if you're counting 8th, is now 3, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. It's not, if you can do it, God bless you, because I can't. So what I do is count 1 and. So I divide my numbers of quarter note beats in this example, and I divide them up by saying and. So I say 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 16th notes, I count them and divide them up even more. So 16th notes, at the moment we've got 1 and 2 and. So what we do is we put an E and an and we say 1E and 2E and 3E and 4E and when you learn to say that a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E, it will come naturally. To start with, you're like, oh, I've got this hand going, I've got that hand going, and my foot's going, and I've got to try and remember how to count as well. And you probably will want not to count because it will feel like one thing too many. Just go slower. Just go slower. Go slow. It is the best thing. Counting will always help you to know where you are. Counting is fab. 1, 2, 3, 4, they're your quarter notes. 8th notes, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then your 16th, 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. There are more counting things which we will do at grade 2. This is grade 1. That's all we're doing at the moment.